Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a granny strip pattern for shawl. I have made this shawl. You can adjust the length and width according to your own choice, and you can also choose any contrasting color scheme for this. It's a very beautiful pattern and super simple and easy to make. So if you want to learn how to crochet this shawl pattern, please see the full video. So for this pattern I am using a cotton yarn, and you can use any kind of yarn, and a 5mm steel crochet hook. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make your base chain according to the desired length of shawl you want. Your base chain should be multiple of 4 plus 1. You can take as many number of chains as you want according to the desired length. You can adjust the length according to your own choice. So complete your base chain. So for this pattern I am making 25 base chain, multiple of 4 plus 1. So make chain 2. First 3 chain are our first double crochet stitch. So wrap the yarn and go into the 4th chain from the hook and pull the yarn through first 2 loops, and then pull the yarn through second 2 loops to make your double crochet 2. This is our first double crochet stitch, which is chain 3. Now again wrap the yarn, pull the yarn through next chain, and then pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our double crochet 3. Repeat the same pattern, go into the next chain and make double crochet 4. Then make chain 1 and skip 1 chain and go into the second chain and make double crochet 1. Into the next one, double crochet 2. Into the next one, double crochet 3, and then make chain 1, skip a stitch, into the next, skip 1 chain, into the next chain make double crochet 1, into the next double crochet 2, into the next double crochet 3, and then complete this till the end. In the start and in the end 4 double crochet stitches, and in the middle 3 double crochet stitches. After completing the first row, make chain 4. First 3 chains are counted as our double crochet stitch, and 1 more chain. After making chain 4, turn your work and directly go into this chain 1 space, our first chain 1 space, and make 3 double crochet stitches here. After making 3 double crochet stitches, make chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then make chain 1, and then into the next chain 1 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 2, and double crochet 3. Now repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So make double crochet 3, so make chain 1 and go into this chain 3. At the top of chain 3 make a double crochet stitch. So this is the second row. Now make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch, and turn your work. Now go into this very first chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet stitches here. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. Now make chain 1 into the next chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Then repeat this pattern till the end of the row, and in the end make 4 double crochet stitches as we have done in the start. So our first row and our third row are similar in their pattern. Now if you want to change the color of the yarn, first of all take the other color yarn and pull it through the stitch, and then with the help of this second color yarn make chain 4 as we have done in the second row, and then turn your work. Go into the very first chain 1 space here and make 3 double crochet stitches. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Then make chain 1 into the next chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, make chain 1, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3, and repeat the same pattern till the end of the row. So now at the end again make chain 1, go into the top of chain 3 and make your last double crochet stitch as we have done in the second row. Now make chain 3, turn your work, go into the very first chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet stitches as we have done in the first and third row. Then make chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet stitches here. Then make chain 1 into the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet stitches. So this is very simple and beautiful pattern. So basically it's a 2 row repeat pattern. So this is how you can change colors after some rows, and you can make a very beautiful granny strip shawl. But you can also use this pattern in crochet sweaters, bags and other crochet projects of your own choice. So if you like this pattern, must try this pattern. As you can see in the shawl, I have used 3 colors and 4 rows pattern for every color, and I have added tassels in the end, but it's optional. So it's very beautiful pattern. If you like this pattern, must try, and if you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.